可以，开始吧。
Hi, all friends from all over the world, and our customers, established customers, and potential customers. And Sarah, today I'm happy that we have the opportunity to give a lunch of our machinery and our company. We are star suppliers of Alibaba, so I'm happy we have this opportunity to introduce our machines and company during the coronavirus period, which blocked us to meet you face to face. So we have a professional team who can speak Russia and English language. So if you like my introduction of the machines and the company, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you are interested in our machines or pedals, you can follow our company or send an inquiry. Now, I would like to introduce. Sorry, our colleagues now prepare the samples of the machine, so it's a little noisy here, but it's okay. I will give a brief introduction of three kinds of movable concrete batching plants, and we can see these are three generations, and we start from the first generation. This one. First generation. The first part is a mixer part. Wing system, a belt wing raw material. This is the first generation, so it was very popular at that beginning, and each company is adopting for the each company make the concrete like C45 or C40.
离我这么近。
不可以是吗？过不去是吧？
过去可以过去，我老大门。
对，是这样的。Okay, so we go on the introduction of this machine. Okay, so this cross type of the batching machine is easy for you to load the raw material from two sides. And we have another type of the batching machine, which is the linear. We call it linear type batching machine. So because this space limit, I cannot make all the sample machine here. So I will show you by the photo. 给我一个这个图片 Okay, so you see from here, this is the linear machine. So you only could load the material from one side, but this is also very popular at the international market. And different from the sample machine, you see this is a bucket. This is a bucket belt conveyor, and this is a wing system. So this batching machine went by this belt, and the bucket belt can save the space because it's shortened the space from the batching machine to the mixer. Okay, but you see the difference. This belt is the wing belt, so it's not bucket belt, and the length is a little longer than that one in the photo. But the function, it has the function of a wing. So it's also very, a special design by us. And on the top, this is the wing system of the wire additive. We also call it additive, like the for the cement additive wing system. One is water wing system and the cement wing system, and all the
领导，
all the concrete batching
你
plants.
面向这，帮忙到北京。
system is on the top. We could find the second cooling system, the tap, one for the water cement and the fly ash and the additive. All these are controlled by the center control system. It's totally automatic. And this is the wing motor. So after the raw material batched by this batching machine, directly dropped into the hopper and read by this belt conveyed into the mixer. This is the whole production process, and the concrete truck and the concrete truck
你不要梗着我那键。
The concrete truck can stand on the mixer machine directly, so it's very convenient. And this control room to put the control panel inside. During the move process, this control room can be folded, so save the space. Okay, this control room. During the move process, it can be folded. So it's very convenient. And this part will be on the track. And after this first generation introduction, let's move to the second generation.
让他
This is the
跟他这机器
second generation of the movable concrete batching plant. The height is a little lower than the first generation, but we also use the twin shaft concrete mixer, which is very powerful to make the concrete above the C35, like C40. It's also can be produced by this machine. And because the low gravity, so because of the low gravity, so during the move process, it's very stable. It's very stable. And you can this is a batching machine. Three beans, but usually it has 2 beans to 4 beans. So depends on the customer. We can customize for you. So just tell us how many kind of raw material you will use during the production of the concrete. And this is the this is the conveyor belt. This is the conveyor belt. And I would like to emphasize here.
那这到底能不能用？
This is the universal turning system.
Yeah,
So during it's very flexible. So during the direction changing process, it can make the concrete batching plant this machine move very stable and avoid the turning over. So it's increase the safety always. Now it's very popular. This second generation is very popular at international market, also in domestic market of China. Okay, so now let's move to the third generation. This generation we sell many sets recent past year, especially in the Asian market, because the cost is lowest during the mobile concrete batching round. This is the rotary mixer compared with the other twin shaft mixer. It's a little cheap. I mean, the cost is a little lower. The clockwise mix charging and anti-clockwise mix discharging, and it's for the medium size project. It's suitable for the medium size project, and the concrete code shop below C35. because this mixer is not so powerful as the twin shaft mixer. And also this is the type of wire fly ash and the additive, the cement additive, controlled by the central control panel automatically. And the belt is the raw material matching system and the ring copper conveyed into the concrete mixer. And the rear also has the universal turning system, and this is the traction. This is the traction. So it's very easy operation to do for the move intention. Later I will make my colleague. 同学你准备吧。Later 这个不是要跑吗？这个要跑吗？准备跑。Okay, so later I will make my colleague to run the second generation same and this one the mounted on the tie on the wheel, and we can see how it is movable during this process. Okay, 能开始了吗？